Even during these challenging times, we remain committed and ready to help you get to wherever you need to go, safely and with a reliable vehicle. Currently, we are offering curbside door-to-door service. We will pick up your vehicle from work or from home. Implementing these options will get you on your way, while protecting our employees and ultimately the broader community. Most of you may know that we already offer car rentals. Rest assured, Enterprise is taking the necessary precautions to ensure the safety of all our customers. Guys, if you have any questions, concern, or if I can be of any assistance, please give me a call or stop by the shop. We are open normal hours, Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 p.m. Hey guys, stay safe. We will get through this together. Thank you.